Hey, man, I got me a deal. I got some hotels and motels and resorts on golf cart repair, doing all theirs. Ends up being good for me, man. What I'm gonna do is, the problem is the golf cart don't run. Battery's dead in it, they haven't charged it up. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna show you how to jump the charger and get it going. Let's see how much water the batteries need. Yeah, they need some water in there. Now, because they're kind of dry before I charge it, I'm going to put water in them. Now here what we have, the customer's got some Niagara Falls water. And this is the reason why I say, man, really the still water don't matter, because all these maintenance places use regular water and it lasts 3 or 4 years out of a set of batteries. Now I'm just gonna put enough, just enough to get it above the plates, so it ain't charging dry. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take off this bolt, the bolt on the handle right there, 2 down there, 1 on the side, and 1 on that side there. All together there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. And I'm gonna show you how to bypass the charger and kick it on. All right, so I got the charger off. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this here on my board, this here, take this off. Now I have these 2 off here. Now it doesn't matter how you put them back on there. You can put them any way you want to. Then what I'm gonna do is plug half into half. Whoa, and it's been hot the whole time. As you can see, you can hear the charger. It's been plugged in the whole time. Don't try that at home. I'm gonna take her, we'll plug her in. Now you can see that there, that's 20 amps. That ain't good. With the cart being as dead as it is, that means that there must be a battery that's dead. Let me go get my voltmeter. Main negative, main positive, 27 volts, 5, 10, should be 15 here. Yep, there should be 17. Yep. Here we got 22, yep, and here we got 27, 29. All right, that's right, man. So the battery's coming up, let's make sure. Go to negative there, positive. Yep. Yep. All right, so each one's coming up. They're coming up even. That's good, man. So I done good. That's 6, and that's the highest there. 3 volts. So just 6 volts. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and charge that one up manually. This one here, charge it up and get it going. But you seen it, man. You see how hot charge it got it going. And now that I have voltage on it, what I'll do is I'll unhook. Let me show you. I'll hook it from the wall. Unplug this. Plug it back in. Plug it back into the wall. All right, man, you seen it there. I'm gonna have to leave it jump for a while. Take it back off, unplug it from the wall. Plug it in half and half. So I got it plugged in half and half. Don't let that wire touch none of the transformer. Then you seen it, man. Now remember, if you do this here, man, it won't shut off by itself, all right? So you have to manually shut it off. Stay tuned, man. I'll post some more. Hey.